Hello guys. In this video I will try just to tackle a problem that one of the guys, they told me his broker asks for fees. This fee is called inactivity fee in trading, and he wants to invest in some stocks that he will stay 1 month, 2 months, or 1 year or two, wherever he wants to stay, and he finds that he is getting charged for holding the stocks, especially if he doesn't trade that much. Now this is a problem in some brokers, but believe me, there are some other brokers, like my broker that I used to, one of my brokers, they don't charge, okay, for inactivity fee. It means, what does it mean? Let's say you open an account and sometimes you trade, but sometimes 1 month or two you don't want to trade, okay? You are learning strategy or you are doing something, and then you find that your broker is taking fees each month, $10 or 15 or 20 or 5. It depends on each broker. So if you don't know, try to check your broker and ask for inactivity fee, because here is the deal. Most of the brokers, they don't tell you anything about fees and commissions, because it is inside with your transactions. For example, let's say you bought some shares and it is $1,000. This is what you buy, but they put $1,005, and they tell you in the box that this $5 is your commission. Okay, so it will be $1,005. But sometimes, so this $5 is taken from your account each time you do a transaction. Okay, that's why some brokers, they don't have a separate thing for the fees, because if you begin to see the fees, you get scared to trade. That's why they hide, although they tell you that there are fees or something, but they hide them in the calculations, so you don't know what is your broker is taking from your account. Okay, so it is better to see your account, to see your trades, and to see how much is your broker is taking. If there is an activity fee, either you should go to their website, or you should chat with them, or you should call them. Sometimes you don't want to trade, okay? You want to invest for 6 months or 1 year or 2 or 3. You buy some stocks and you leave them, okay? And if you are getting charged each month, this will be an expense. Some other brokers don't charge, okay? They don't charge this inactivity fee. If you trade or you don't trade, your account is always the same. They don't ask you to do anything, okay? There is another thing I want to tell is the streaming bid and ask. Some brokers also, they charge you if you don't pay. If you don't pay $10 or $15 or $20 or $10 or $5, depending on the broker, okay, they will charge you this each month. If you want to see the bid and ask on time, because they will tell you there is a delay of 15 minutes or 20 minutes if you don't want it. But if you are trading, you should know what is the price. The bid and the ask, you should know. It's not just to buy like this blindly without knowing how much the price is. You think that the price is $20, but when you want just to buy by market order, you find it is $22. Okay, because there are 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, a stock can go $10, $20. Okay, So don't think that this 10 minutes or 20 minutes is just the price will not change that much. No, you will never know. Sometimes there is news, sometimes there is bad news, sometimes there is good news. Okay, so you should always have the streaming bid and ask. It means you should know if you want to buy and if you want to sell. This is the bid and ask. Okay, so these two things that I spoke about, please check in your account. Check that you are sure that that your broker is not taking money from your account, although the broker thinks that you know, but you don't know, and you see that your account is going down and down and down, and you don't know why your account is going down. Sometimes you don't feel it because $5, but believe me, when it is 2 months, 6 months, 10 months, or 1 year, it will add up. Okay, it will add up. That's why most of the brokers, they don't put special price for the fees and commissions. They don't. At least they will not attract you that you are spending too much. They leave you spending, and by the end of the year you will find that your account, you are doing nothing because you lose money, and you think that most of the time it's your trades, and sometimes it's not your trades, it's the commissions and fees, that it is too much. Okay, let's say I just give you an example to understand this. Let's say in the whole year you have done 100 trades the whole year. Okay, I'm not speaking about 500 or 1000 trades a year, because you are trading. Now 100, if the commission 100, if the commission is $5, you spend $500 a year. Okay, if for example this 100 you buy and 100 you sell, is 200. Now 200 by 5, you will end up losing $1,000 each year just for commission. But the broker will never put this number in red in order to see it. It's always hidden in your calculations. That's why a lot of people, they just trade, they trade, especially those day traders, and they don't understand that they are losing a lot of money, but they don't know. So in this video is just to show people that they should be careful of these expenses and they take care of their business. Thank you very much. If you have a private message, please send me a private message. Here is on the top of the description, there is my email, there is my website for the training, and there is like 75% discount for ebooks training and 50% for the video training. Okay, if you have any question, you don't know what to choose, just let me know. And please subscribe if you don't. Thank you very much and have a nice night.